Mohammed Hani. I'm the CEO of Besomi Group. Besomi Group was born in 1986, started as a small electronic shop in Amman, and the founders in 1998 were inspired by the Dubai story, where we have moved our headquarters to Dubai. We are now one of the largest distributors of electronic components with more than 12,000 SKUs. Today we're not only an electronic distributor for the biggest brands in the world, but also we have started engineering services where we do reverse engineering, cable assembly, we manufacture and produce bespoke lab for our clients, and we do repair work. Today in IROS we launched Besomi Academy, which is catered with the vision to teach students on robotics and new technologies such as AI. The main goal of the academy is to teach students where they experience electronics, software programming. Register now with Besomi Academy with one of the courses that we're offering. We have courses that are based on Arduino, Raspberry and NVIDIA. Join us.
I am Khalifa from the Academy team and your favorite pilot here. We are in IROS 2024, the biggest robotics exhibition in the world. First time in the Middle East, and we see the biggest and the most complicated robotics evolution here. You will not believe what you will see here. The most complicated robotic and the most powerful humanoid robots. At the same time, there is students who is interested to learn robotics. So we are here to introduce them to this world and to take their first step to robotics field. So here in Besomi Academy, we try to make a booth like a maker lab thing, where students can test and try to make their own robots and play with them. Also, they can try drones or even video games. So I hope you enjoy and have fun with us.
Hello everyone, this is Abdullah Murad from Besomi Academy. We are here today at IROS 2024, which is a shortcut for Intelligent Robotic Operating System. Basically, this exhibition is to show the most high-tech edge around the world. Now, what we're doing here is to show them high-tech edge and the first step for it here at Besomi Academy. So at Besomi Academy, we teach students about self-balanced robot, line follow robot, and all the amazing robotics they see in the exhibition. We show them the first step for it here in Besomi Academy. So what we do usually is we give the student the courses and make them build with their own hands their robot and modify it so they can make it customized. Thank you guys, and you can visit us at Besomi Academy anytime. See you.
Hi, I'm Engineer Salm.
And I'm Engineer Wael.
We are in Besomi Electronics. If you are an engineer or you are interested in electronics or have any project, we are here to help you.
We can provide you any projects that you want, start from the modeling and proceed it and executing it to get the final product you want. And we also provide you like courses that you need to do all the projects, all the softwares that you need to proceed with your project.
So visit us here in Abu Dhabi or in our HQ in Dubai and just discover more about Besomi Electronics.
Thank you.
This is Salama, an academic projects and the training engineer from Besomi Academy's Jordan office. So today we are here at the impressive IROS 24 in Abu Dhabi to showcase our projects and robots where young students can explore and interact with such a project. We are thrilled to guide them toward our workshops and courses, helping them to spark their interest in technology and robotics. So today we are here at the impressive IROS 24 in Abu Dhabi to showcase our projects and robots where young students can interact with them and explore with them hands-on. We are thrilled to guide them toward our workshops and courses, and it's exciting to see their passion on their faces, helping to spark their interest in technology and robotics.
This is Rukana from Besomi Electronics Group. I just wanted to inform you guys we have a showroom in Abu Dhabi as well, located in Al Fula Road opposite Ministry of Finance. We are dealing with electronics and electrical spare parts here in Abu Dhabi. Most of the products we have stocks for education sectors, for industrial sector, for mechanical sectors, all kind of electronics components, whether it's SMD components, transistor, ICs, plus the education field, you will have the Raspberry Pi products and the Arduino products. I would like you to please give us a call if you need anything related to electronics and electrical items. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Julie and I'm an HR specialist of Besomi Electronics Group. We are looking for passionate individuals who are interested to build a career in an exciting and challenging industry. If you're interested, please send us your profile, talk with us. You can email us at careers@besomi.com. Come send those emails now.